In front of me is Redmi 12R, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off Google Passwords Autofill. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then click on Autofill with Google, and this blue switcher next to Use Autofill with Google. So when I click, as you can see, Google Autofill is off. But you can always turn it back on by tapping on the same switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!